Groups of these giant marine mammals have been appearing again only recently around South Georgia, around 50 years after the end of their slaughter through whaling. Species diversity in the island is now strictly protected and is monitored and explored at a research station. At King Edward Point, humans live in close contact with the animals. Here at the edge of the Earth, only the occasional passing ship helps to maintain contact with the outside world. In January, the middle of the Antarctic summer, nights on the island are extremely short. The sun has already risen by 4 a.m. these days.